So, people have been asking me on how to set up a Google deepdream for yourself to generate these psychedelic images with your own computer. I decided to make this virtual machine that have everything already working. So let's take a look at what you need. So the first thing is that you need to install the VirtualBox from Oracle. Go to virtualbox.org, click the download button, and then select the system that you're using. I'm using VirtualBox for Windows, so I will use that one. The next thing you need is to go to this URL bit.ly/deepdream Ubuntu. So in here you have a couple files you have to download. The ubuntu.vbox and the actual image file of that. It's rather big, it's around 8 GB, so it will take our time to download that. So when you have the VirtualBox installed, this downloaded, the thing is to do is to just start up the VirtualBox, go to the machine menu, press add. I have my virtual machine already on my computer, on my Dropbox, so I will select one of those downloaded files and click open. So here you can see that I'm allocated 4 GB for this virtual machine. It's quite a lot, so if you have less memory in your computer, just press settings and change these values. But otherwise we are good to go, so I will just press start. So let's start by clicking this button here and selecting terminal. So you have to type this line, IPython notebook, or just press arrow up key from your keyboard and press enter. So we go to documents folder and click deepdream master, and from here click this dream file. This will open the deepdream's notebook file to a different tab. Combination of code and documents. And I don't go through all of the stuff that you have in here. It's more like very quick run how to actually use this. So we have this play button on top here, so let's click that one and keep clicking it until we come to this one point here where we have the file name in this box. What we need in here is to specify what image we want to send to the system. For that we have the file name right in here. So let's open up File Explorer, the left side, go to the documents, the deepdream master. So in here you have a picture already, and if you want to add your own picture, you can go to devices and drag and drop and select to be host guest or bidirectional. And now you can actually drag some pictures from your host operating system, Windows OS X, and just drag pictures in here. So since we have something in here already, let's go back to Firefox and just type the file name in here. So it was sona.jpg. And now let's press the play button again. So now we loaded that picture from the hard drive And the next one, let's just keep pressing the play button, and now it should be going on. Yes. So now we are generating our first image through the deepdream, and it will take some time, so let's just fast forward a little bit. So here's the image after one iteration. The deepdream have already found all kind of patterns on this picture, but let's go forward a little bit. There's other cool stuff in here. So there's a little bit of documentation here on how to use different layers, all kind of ways to generate these pictures. So if we select this block and press play, we can get these keys that we can use for different kind of results. So this is one of those keys that we can find from here. So actually let's select this one and play that, and this will generate a little bit different image. So here's the image with a different set of keys. So you can notice that it's quite completely different when compared to this one with puppies all over. But this is still just one iteration of the image processing. So let's go forward a little bit to the bottom of the documents, and there's a couple pieces of code still. So there's this one that will create a folder for us called frames. So let's do that. And this one will will generate one image and feed it back to the system for 100 times, and then save that to the frames folder. So it keeps like this feedback loop going on. So when the image is finished, it will be used as an input for the image processing. So let's press play on that, and then I will fast forward for quite a long time. It's been now about an hour since I started iterating through these images. So this is what we have now. And if we go to the File Explorer and go to Documents, deepdream, and here's the frames folder. Here we have all the images, all the iterations. So we can go one by one, and eventually we have 29 different iterations of the same image. And yep, there's quite a lot of everything happening in the image. We just go through this document. There's a little bit more documentation of how I use this whole system. I think there is actually even different data sets here, right here, that you can use instead of the default Google puppies and cars version. That's it.